Effective project management involves balancing cost, time, and resources to achieve project goals efficiently. Both agile and traditional project management methods aim to optimize these factors but approach the task differently. In this article, we explore the contrasting strategies used in agile and traditional project management for optimizing cost and time, examining their strengths, weaknesses, and suitability for various project types. Traditional project management. A structured approach to cost and time optimization. Traditional project management, often referred to as the waterfall model, is a linear, phase-driven approach that emphasizes thorough planning and predictability. It follows a step-by-step process, with each phase being completed before the next one begins. In this methodology, time and cost optimization are primarily achieved through upfront planning, resource allocation, and strict adherence to schedules and budgets. Key features for cost and time optimization in traditional PM. Detailed planning and scheduling. Traditional PM involves comprehensive planning at the outset. The entire project scope, timeline, and budget are established in detail before execution begins. This includes Gantt charts, critical path analysis, and resource leveling to ensure that time and costs are closely controlled. The planning phase is designed to predict and prevent risks, ensuring that the project is completed on time and within budget. Resource allocation. Resources, both human and material, are allocated based on the planned schedule, with little room for change. If resources are over or under allocated, the project manager adjusts the schedule or budget accordingly to meet the original expectations. Resource leveling techniques are employed to ensure that resource demand is spread evenly throughout the project lifecycle. Fixed scope. Traditional project management assumes that the scope of the project is fixed. Any changes to scope creep, require formal change management procedures, which could impact both cost and time. Since scope is clearly defined at the start, there is less uncertainty, which helps manage costs and timelines more predictably. Risk management. Traditional PM incorporates risk management strategies up front. Risks are identified early, and mitigation strategies are put in place. The goal is to anticipate issues before they arise, minimizing delays and unexpected costs. Since the timeline and budget are fixed, any unforeseen issues can lead to costly changes. Challenges with time and cost optimization in traditional PM. 1. Inflexibility. Once a project has started, it's difficult to change the schedule or scope. This can be a disadvantage if unforeseen issues arise or if the project's goals evolve. 2. Scope creep. Although change management processes are in place, scope creep is still a significant risk in traditional project management, often leading to increased costs and extended timelines. 3. Late delivery. Traditional PM's emphasis on completing each phase sequentially can delay feedback, meaning the product is often not delivered until the end of the project, leaving little room for iterative improvements. Agile project management. Flexibility and iteration for cost and time optimization. Agile project management is an iterative, flexible approach that contrasts with the rigid structure of traditional methods. Agile divides a project into smaller, manageable tasks and focuses on delivering value incrementally. Each iteration, or sprint, typically lasts 1 to 4 weeks, during which a specific set of tasks is completed, tested, and reviewed. This frequent feedback loop is aimed at optimizing both time and costs by responding to change quickly and improving efficiency over the course of the project. Key features for cost and time optimization in Agile. Iterative development. Agile breaks projects into smaller cycles or sprints, allowing for the delivery of portions of the project at regular intervals. This means that the project is delivered in stages, with each iteration providing an opportunity to assess progress and make adjustments. The iterative process allows teams to evaluate what is working and adjust quickly, ensuring that resources are utilized efficiently and that unnecessary work is minimized. Flexibility and adaptability. Agile is designed to accommodate change, making it highly adaptable to shifting customer requirements or market conditions. If priorities change or new information emerges, Agile teams can pivot without disrupting the entire project, thus avoiding costly delays. As a result, Agile projects often avoid the risk of overspending on irrelevant features that may be requested midway through the project. Customer involvement and feedback. Agile emphasizes ongoing collaboration with the customer, ensuring that the product evolves according to the client's needs. Feedback from customers after each sprint helps ensure that the project remains on track and that resources are focused on what truly adds value. This constant feedback loop helps avoid the costs associated with misaligned deliverables and ensures timely delivery of high-priority features. Prioritization of features. In Agile, features are prioritized based on customer value. Teams focus on delivering the most important features first, ensuring that essential elements are completed early in the project. This prioritization ensures that if time or budget constraints arise, the most valuable parts of the project are still completed. Continuous improvement. Agile teams hold retrospectives at the end of each sprint to assess their performance and identify ways to improve. These improvements can lead to better time and cost efficiency as the team refines its processes over time. Continuous improvement ensures that inefficiencies are identified early, reducing costs and speeding up future sprints. Challenges with time and cost optimization in Agile. 1. Uncertainty. Since Agile projects are flexible and evolving, estimating exact costs and timelines can be challenging. The scope may change frequently, making it harder to stick to initial budget or timeline estimates. 2. Resource management. Managing resources across multiple sprints and adjusting to evolving priorities can sometimes lead to overburdening teams, which may affect overall productivity and lead to cost overruns. 3. Client expectations. Continuous involvement of the client can sometimes lead to shifting priorities that impact timelines or costs, especially if the scope is not well managed. Comparing time and cost optimization. Agile versus traditional PM conclusion. Both Agile and traditional project management offer valuable strategies for cost and time optimization, but they are suited for different types of projects. Traditional project management is ideal for projects with clear, fixed scope, well-defined timelines, and predictable resources. Its focus on detailed planning, risk management, and strict schedules makes it suitable for industries like construction, manufacturing, and large-scale infrastructure projects. Agile project management excels in environments with high uncertainty, changing requirements, or the need for frequent iterations. It's well suited for software development, marketing campaigns, or any project where customer feedback and flexibility are crucial to success. Choosing between Agile and traditional project management depends on the specific nature of the project, its scope, and the flexibility needed to meet customer demands. For organizations that require both stability and adaptability, a hybrid approach that combines elements from both methodologies may offer the best solution.